friends, today we have received this package from Tata Click, and this is containing Coolpad Note 3S, and I have purchased it at rupees 6,700 and 9,700 and some odd, and today we shall make unboxing of this. So this is the box package and some invoice etc. I just keep all this aside and I will open it up and come to you. So friends, this is the box, and this time Coolpad has made some large box than its earlier versions, and this is the Coolpad branding Note 3S, and here again Coolpad Note 3, and if we see that this is having fingerprint sensor, if you can see, because it is very bright, and then battery is this 3 GB RAM, 32 GB memory, and it is Android 6, and this is having unique ID design. I'll see that what it says, and on this side Coolpad again, and then the back side we see that this is Coolpad Y9100 is the model, and Android Marshmallow octa-core. This is octa-core 1.4 GB and 64-bit. It is Qualcomm Snapdragon 415 processor, whereas 3 GB RAM, 32 GB ROM, 13 megapixel autofocus camera with single LED flash, 5 megapixel front facing camera, 2500 mAh battery, and the dimensions are 154 by 77 by 8.3. 8.3 is something large, some thickness, and the fingerprint sensor is there, and it is a dual SIM hybrid SIM model, and these are some other specification, IMEI etc. and this is December 2016, and this phone was launched on 12 December 2016, which is my birthday, therefore I have purchased it, and the weight of the phone is 167 grams. So we just open it up and come to you. So let us open it up, and the first thing is the device itself. We come to it later on. Let's see what else is there. So one is this screen protector, means this is screen guard, not tempered glass, and since this is a unibody design, therefore this SIM ejector tool is provided, and this quick start guide, very standard, and then this is the cover, and having this warranty card, and some other stuff is there. This is standard micro USB cable and data syncing cable. These are headphones, in-ear type headphones. We shall check it. It seems good. It is having this on-off button, microphone is there, and we shall check the sound quality of this. Good headphone provided, and this is the charger. This 5 volt 1.5 amp charger. It is not a fast charger, but as the battery is 2500 mAh, therefore it is good enough for charging the phone. So let us come to the device. So this is the device, friends, and some other specifications and details are given. I just peel it off. Friends, this cover is also provided, back cover, which is of good quality. I have not seen it earlier, therefore could not say you, and this is a good quality matte finish, and this so friends, this is 5.5 inch large screen, and the build quality seems to be good. Capacitive buttons are there on the bottom side. We shall see that these are backlit or not. 2.5D curved glass, and this is another color is white color, and I just see that on the back. I just peel it out, and on the back this is a metal unibody design, and the fingerprint scanner, 13 megapixel camera with the single LED flash, with the secondary noise cancellation microphone, cool pad branding and speaker grill. On the right hand side we are having power button. On the top we are having SIM tray. SIM tray, we just see that what type of SIM is there. It is a hybrid SIM, I believe, which is mentioned, and this is plasticky, not metal, and this is a hybrid SIM. First SIM, second SIM is hybrid with the 32 GB expandable SD card, and both are nano SIMs. Then on the left side we are having volume rockers, and on the bottom we are having this micro USB and charging and data syncing port and primary microphone. There is 5 megapixel camera, speaker grill and some sensors, gyroscope, accelerometer, light sensor, proximity sensors, etc. So friends, let's boot up the device. We shall see that how much battery has been provided. Powered by Android standard, as in all phones we see. This is display is 2.5D curved. It is not FHD, it is HD display, which is 720 by 1280p, and it is having 267 ppi. Screen to body ratio is 69.9%. however, this the sides of the phone are not having a very large amount of screen. However, from top and bottom the screen coverage is reduced, and this is having 2500 mAh battery. So let me start the phone and then come back. So friends, this is welcome screen and English is selected. I skip this insert SIM card, I skip this Wi-Fi connection, and this again I skip, and just come to you after start of the device. I will keep my account also later on. So this is the first boot, and friends, as you can see, this is the cool UI as standard, but this time the company has given some stock Android type of feel, which is there, and the backlit, this capacitive touch buttons are not backlit. And let us quickly keep a subject here and see the camera quality. So I have put all the colors here, and just see that what is the camera quality. So as you can see in the camera that colors are vibrant and natural. So let us take a snap, and let us take this snap also, and let us take a snap from the front camera as well. I take the snap of the same picture from front camera. So I have taken all the snaps, and now let us see that what is the picture quality. The selfie camera is average, whereas the back camera, it is the camera quality is not that great as far as 13MP is concerned, because if you can see, these are the original color and this is the color in the camera. So friends, I will come with the full review of this device, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.